So we have the Vivo Y04. Great phone with great specs, and just similar to the low-end phones like that of Oppo. This phone it's worth the review. So let's quickly go ahead and look at it. So if you look at the build quality, the front is glass and the back is plastic. It comes with a 30 megapixel back camera, which usually is for most low-end phones, and also a 6.7 inch in length, and it has a 5500 milliamps of battery. And this phone, similarly with the Oppo A3X, have the speakers at the front here, and we have the 3.5 headphone jack Type-C cable is here. Type-C charging port, microphone by the side there, and also the volume buttons and also the power buttons. So looking at it, you see this phone is a 4G phone, so, and it came out in February this year, so just a few months ago. It can take 2 nano SIMs, and also a microSD, so which is good for someone who wants to have a bigger memory on the phone. So it's lightweight, it's 190 grams, and it comes with IPS LCD dust and water resistant, and it's an LCD screen. The screen is LCD. You can see it's not as sharp as like an AMOLED screen display, and it comes with this chipset, which is an Octa-core, and also which is Unisoc T7225. The phone is this one. It comes with 4 gig RAM, as the 4 gig memory, which is expandable, which is one of the good things about the phone. It has a dual main camera, which is at the back, although like the auxiliary camera is 0.08. The main camera is 30 megapixel. The front facing camera is this one is 5 megapixel. It doesn't come with no NFC, so but you can also pick up radio. It has good Wi-Fi capability, and it also has a fingerprint sensor, and it comes with 15-watt fast charge. So let's take a look at some of the pictures with this one. So looking at some of the picture quality, which is fair, just okay. So it has good pictures.